What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how I invest $20 in 2021. So stick around. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Matt, and in this channel, all we do is invest $20 each and every week, and we watch it grow. Before we hop into today's video, do me a huge favor, as always, smash that like button if you enjoy this type of content. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really helps the growth. Currently, we sit at 60 subs. You guys really mean the difference in my growth. If you see any sort of video that you want me to talk about, leave a comment down below. I'll gladly do a video on that. Before we look at this week's $20 spent, I just want to do a quick recap of my account or my portfolio up to date. So the day, this goes back to Friday. Friday, I was up about $10.50. The last week, I'm actually down just over $3. Over the last month, I am up 2.5% or $47.92. The last 3 months, we are up $186.48 or just under 11%. Last year, we are up 43.65%. That is close to almost $600 or $576.15. Same thing for all time because we haven't approached our year mark. That is going to be happening around April the 2nd or 3rd. The portfolio right now sits at an all-time high at $18.96. Tomorrow, we will be getting our $20, which will put us over the $1,900 threshold and getting us closer to that $3,000 goal for the end of next year. So, as always, guys, I have my account set up to auto deposit $20 every single Monday. So if you are tuning in for the first time and you're wanting to know how do you get started in investing, how do I start investing $20, $5, $10, $100, the key to it is consistency, guys. So whether it's just $1 or $100, just being consistent with all that you do, because I mean, I'm not even at the year mark, and I started out at, I think, like $450, $460, and each week I've put $20 in. Around my birthday in August, I got like a $100 check from my parents. I put that in the account. So any extra money I'm taking or getting, I'm putting it right back into my portfolio. And again, over the years, we're going to see this nice little growth, and hopefully at some point I can increase the amount from $20 to $30 to $50 to $100 and really take advantage of that growth. So without further ado, actually, let's go back to how I set it up. So in my account, I have it set up to where I have it transferred to Robinhood. $20, I have it linked right into my checking account. So it comes out on Monday, and it pens for a couple of days, and I believe it's either end of day Monday or even Tuesday or Wednesday when it actually gets processed and completed. So it's just something as easy as just setting it up through your checking account. So with that being said, you get your $20, you'll see it pop up right here in the buying power section. Obviously, I have $0 because I spent through all the money from last week. So let's hop into all the purchases of last week. Guys, my first purchase was for LTC Properties, and I put $3 into LTC Properties at $39.33, and that got me about 8% of one share, so 7.8% of a share at $38.41. We are still averaging down on this position. Actually, we're up a little bit. We're actually up over 7% here. This particular holding was under 4% of my total holdings, and I wanted to get it over 4%. So that's why I put $3 in LTC. The next one, I put $3 in Horizon or Horizon Technology Finance. Got a nice little dividend pending here for the middle of January. Look out for that video at the end of the month. We ended up putting $3 in. We got 0.229533 shares at $13.07. We are really above our average cost on this. Our average cost is $10.91, and that was the same reason with Horizon as it was with LTC. We wanted to get this above the 4% of my holdings. Another $3 I put into Solar Senior Capital at $15.16. That's what it sits right now. Our average cost is $12.85. So we put $3 in, got 0.208801 shares at $14.37. I put another $3 into Home Depot at $269.09. We're actually down in this position. We're down 3.5%, and it's at, our average cost is $279.07. So we're down, I don't know, the average cost is down about $10. So we can afford to put even more money into this holding. So we just put $3 in here. We got like 1.1% of a share at $264.64. We'll take it. Home Depot already paid out their dividend, so we're good there. We're just going to be consistently investing, as you can see. So we are at $12 so far. And last but not least, we put $8 into my one growth stock that I have in this portfolio. That is GNUS Brands, and that is something that has just popped up on the radar here. I was looking at popular stocks. I was also looking at high potential growth stocks, and this one seemed to pop out. And after doing some research, it's actually pretty interesting. It is a Cartoon Network that is not charging for their content. They're giving the content away for free, but they're looking to make money on any sort of, SKUs or any sort of advertising or branding or anything like that. And they actually have some cartoon shows in the works, like Stan Lee's Marvel Universe. They also have a show coming out with Shaq in it. It's like with him in a garage and doing cars or some sort. I mean, it seems promising. And even the people that they have, like as far as their CEO and the staff that they have is pretty impressive. Just going through, I want to say one of them was the former CEO of like Hallmark, and it looked like a couple other people had some pretty prestigious titles. And again, that doesn't mean anything, but with all things being said, this is a stock that kind of took off and then it's kind of plummeted, and then here recently it started to gain some legs and then it dipped off again. And I mean, again, this is a stock that's $1.44. I wouldn't mind putting a couple $100 into this, and we'll just see how it plays off. I'm looking to do a video on this as well, probably down the road here, but that's going to do it for today, guys. Thanks again as always. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. It really helps the growth. And as always, leave a comment down below. Take care. Have a great week. Happy trading to you. We'll see you around.